UCAPS is all natural capsules that work to cleanse ear canal infections and improve average hearing. The manufacturer states that they are intended for people who suffer from chronic auditory problems. The pills will improve your ability to deal with tinnitus and enhance blood circulation in the inner ear. The official website offers quite a lucrative price. About 5 million copies of the product have already been sold in Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Slovenia, and Croatia. UCAP's opinions and comments show that people prefer to take this product instead of medicine. No complaints about side effects or contraindications can be found in the testimonials. Dr. Stjepan Radic, Professor Filipovic, and Dr. Fran Markovic are some of the experts that took part in the design and development of the capsules. They state that UCAPS is a highly advanced remedy for better auditory senses that is based on natural extracts. There is not a single active chemical agent in the composition. The capsules include herbal and plant extracts as the main ingredients. UCAPS works 24/7 to make you hear better and clearer, normalizing blood pressure in the inner ear. Expert otolaryngologists examined its action and effects in clinical trials. Its certificate of quality shows that its reliability is 91%. Where to buy UCAPS at the best price in Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Slovenia, and Croatia. How to recognize the scams that get posted as legit hearing aid products on OLX and Amazon. How to take the capsules for enhanced auditory senses, according to their instructions for use. How does UCAPS work? Learn more in this UCAPS review. 3 foods that boost and improve hearing. Hearing is one of the most important senses of the human body. We attribute our ability to place ourselves in the world and assess situations to it. Our ears are not a muscle, but you can train this sense of yours in the same way to improve it. Focus every day on certain sounds to enhance the possibilities of this perception. Listening exercises can help you identify where the sound is coming from and who or what is making it. Have someone move around the room while reading sentences from a book or newspaper. Close your eyes, repeat the sentence, and try to determine where he or she is reading from. Do this exercise at least 3 times a week and you will see how over time your hearing will start to improve. Another way to improve your hearing is to stop smoking. A Manchester University study shows that you are 28% more likely to experience some form of hearing loss if you smoke. Bad food habits should also be left behind. Here are 3 foods that can help you improve your hearing. Zinc. This is a mineral that strengthens the immune system, but it's also a great way to keep your hearing in good shape. Research shows that taking 50 milligrams of it every day for 2 months reduced tinnitus symptoms in 82% of participants. It is a natural antioxidant, a natural chemical compound, A and polyphenol found in grapes, red wine, and other foods and beverages. This antioxidant supports heart health and longer life. And it's also a great occasion to enjoy a glass of red wine with dinner. Omega-3. These fatty acids fight inflammation and prevent heart disease. These healthy fats also help prevent hearing loss. Eating 2 portions of oily fish a week can reduce the risk of age-related hearing loss by more than 40%. UCAPS. What is it and how does it work? UCAPS is all natural capsules that work to improve auditory senses and restore normal hearing. The pills are designed to help with age-related hearing loss and complaints, like chronic tinnitus. Their manufacturer offers them at a very reasonable price. More than 5 million people have already purchased them via the official website in Serbia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia, and Slovenia. The expert otolaryngologists that took part in its design are Dr. Stjepan Radic, Professor Filipovic, and Dr. Fran Markovic. They say that UCAPS is one of the best natural remedies for enjoying good hearing at every age. Clients have not shared any complaints related to how UCAPS works. The pills have undergone clinical testing in various institutions in Europe. It was determined to have an average effectiveness of 91%. This is why it earned a certificate of quality. UCAPS is a great organic solution for treating ear canal infections and improving blood flow and pressure to the inner ear. Benefits and advantages of the capsules for improved hearing. Stjepan Radic, Professor Filipovic and Dr. Fran Markovic are otolaryngology experts who say that U-Caps has countless benefits and advantages for good hearing. The capsules are based on a combination of natural ingredients and do not include any harmful chemical agents. They help in the fight against tinnitus and age-related hearing loss. U-Caps' many benefits and advantages for the improvement of auditory senses have made a hit in the Western Balkans. The official website of the manufacturer offers regular price discounts. Its certificate of quality gives the effectiveness as being 91%, and its sales statistics show that it has helped millions of people. An organic composition that works to improve hearing and cleanse ear canal infections. The capsules also have a preventative effect against the development of chronic tinnitus and age-related hearing loss. The pills are 91% effective for the normalization of blood flow and pressure in the inner ear. No complaints have been published about side effects. The manufacturer's official website currently offers a 50% price discount. Cons. These capsules are not sold in the pharmacy or DM. Get rid of unhealthy foods, like bad sugars, to boost the effects of the product. Most U-Caps opinions and comments on forums are positive and not negative. Clients in Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Slovenia, Croatia, and Montenegro generally like the product. They share in their testimonials that it works much better than medicine. Expert otolaryngologists also confirm that U-Caps is safe and represents an excellent organic tool for getting rid of tinnitus and improving your hearing. Testimonials. Buy with 50% discount here. U-Caps price in Serbia, Montenegro, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Where to buy. The manufacturer advises clients not to worry about where to buy U-Caps at the best price in Serbia, Montenegro, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina. The capsules for clearer hearing can be secured safely via the company's official website. The company offers regular U-Caps price discounts and carries out quick deliveries. It chooses not to sell the pills in retail stores, like DM, to avoid their additional taxes. The official web page of U-Caps offers a current price discount of 50%. Clients who wish to take advantage of it must hurry up because the number of featured copies is limited. Make sure that you fill in a name and actual telephone number in the digital form so that a client representative can get in touch with you to clarify the details. Your package will be at your doorstep in a week and you can pay via card. Attention! U-Caps is ordered in the standard way for a digital product. Clients complete the order form, confirm the details over the telephone, and wait for delivery, which can take up to a week. The accepted payment method is card during delivery.